Hey students, next chapter is going to be the skeleton. And we're going to start by looking at different kinds of cartilage. We have the three different kinds of cartilage that we had. You looked at that during the tissues when you studied that before. So you learn about it, where this tissue is found, and the degree of strength it has, and then you'll move on and look at the growth of it. There's a couple different ways that cartilage grows. Once you're an adult, that's a real problem in today's world with that cartilage because it often doesn't grow at all. And so that's a big issue now. Stem cells, all this, trying to get the cartilage to grow once you're an adult. Okay. And then we move on to the bones, the skeleton. First of all, classification of bones. You'll break the bones down into the different kinds of bones they are, whether they're flat or whatnot. We'll look at functions of bones, right? They do a lot of different things in your body. Very, very important. And after that, we look at bone structure and this basic gross anatomy of the bone and all the different parts of the bone. Bones have bone markings on them where things attach like muscles, okay? And we'll look at again, microscopic anatomy of the bones. We look at the internal structure of how these things work and how they can be so strong. And in other places we have the spongy bone, which is going to have marrow, which is going to be important because in some cases we're going to have to draw that marrow and give it to others who have problems with their blood cells and whatnot. Okay, look at the chemical composition of the bone. Look what it's made out of. That'll be one thing that we'll do. Okay. And then again, like we did last time, we'll look at the development of the bone and the formation of the bones. Very, very important cells involved with the bone formation. And also the bone breakdown, which is constantly going on. So bones will be remodeled, okay, based on the cells they are. Osteoclast, remember that name, osteoclast, very, very important, taking the bone apart. And going right along it, there's hormones involved too, such as parathyroid hormone, which again is going to be important for pulling calcium from the bones. Bones are repaired, can be repaired pretty easily. They can form quickly thanks to these cells, and they can also be taken down pretty quickly. Some of the imbalances we'll look at, and there's a lot of nutrients, but it's not just nutrients, it's also putting pressure on the bone to help bone grow, okay? And also the age you are and your sex can make a big difference. Particularly elderly women, have a really hard time with osteoporosis. Osteomalacia is something that all of you can get if you eat a terrible diet. And of course rickets too is another big problem with the children, which is a really sad one that you'll probably see upon at some point in the future. But anyway, hope you enjoy the chapter. Okay, bye.